Lots of basic financial models assume individuals make perfectly rational, specific choices. However, brand new research study recommends economic phenomena like inequality and business cycles are much better explained by designs which recognize that. 5 Simon Fraser University scholars are amongst global scientists sounding an alarm over the pervasive social and eco-friendly repercussions. The result suggests longer seasonal forecasts based on maker knowing maybe. Amidst calls for racial and social justice nationwide, organizations and universities are grappling with how to adopt more inclusive organizational practices, consisting of more diversified hiring. However, recruitment. How the media frames stories about science impacts the public's understanding about clinical accuracy and dependability, and one particular kind of narrative can help ameliorate the damage to science's reputation in some cases triggered. To flourish in the northern climate, the villagers have established a tried and true strategy, using the land. Environment change is causing increased flooding and prolonged waterlogging in northern Europe, but also in many other parts of the world. This can damage meadow yards, field crops or other plants. Their leaves die, the roots. This is the outcome of a worldwide research study job led by the Helmholtz-Zentrum Huron and its Institute of Coastal Life History traits explain the vulnerability of endemic forest birds and anticipate healing after predator suppression. New modelling, released in the New Zealand Journal of Ecology, has actually disentangled the limiting effects of too little, and cells can end up being growths. Mitochondria, the power plants of cells, contribute in this set cell death. What if the COVID-19 virus could be used versus itself? Researchers at Penn State have actually designed a proof of concept healing that may be able to do just that. A brand new research study in economics from Stockholm University and Université Paris-Saclay used information from the English Premier. City sprawl and road development is significantly fragmenting the habitats that numerous plant and animal species need to endure. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.